As we prepare to put the PDF pattern together, here's some tips. We are making the hoodie, and remember this sheet here, assembling the pattern, the page layout sheet that they give you for PDF pattern. This pattern also comes with AO and copy shop printing for large print, but if you're gonna put it together at home, let me give you some tips. All right, so follow the page numbers. So you're starting with 15, 16, 17, 18, but look at the pieces. Here's the hood, here's the back, here's the front. Here's a piece, here's a piece, here's a sleeve, here's a piece here, here's a piece here. And what you want to do instead of just, especially if you don't have a table, some people work on the floor, that's fine. But let me show you what I've done. I've already put together the hood, okay? And my pieces are put together. I didn't even tape it together in the middle because if you look, it's not these pieces. It's just these pieces that have the hood. So I didn't even tape this together in the middle. Doesn't make sense. I'm just focusing on taping the piece together that has that back piece. All right, and then once I get the hood done, take my paper rotary cutter and cut it off. I'm done with that. It's already together. Now I can continue in putting the other pieces together. So I hope this helps. It just, it's more efficient and it saves space.